Just acquired this lovely top of the range Suzuki SX4. It's got absolutely everything. It's got full park distance control, popping pearlescent white paint, diamond cut alloy wheels, panoramic roof. It's got a tow bar. You can take that off if you don't require it. So it's the SX4 S-Cross ALLGRIP, rear park distance control, camera, absolutely lovely condition. It's been kept very well. Just go a lot deeper. Full leather interior, tilt side panoramic roof. It's a lot of car for the money. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. Push start. Cruise control. Satellite navigation. Cold climate control, it's freezing. Heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, diff lock, different ways of driving, driver modes, USB. It's done 84,872 miles. Bluetooth, I thought we had that, I was just checking. Great value for money this car is. It has had the cam belt changed as well, just serviced MOT'd. DDiS with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.